Do meetings scare you? Not because you don't have ideas, not because you lack in knowledge, just because of English. If you ever stayed silent in a meeting, even you have something valuable and better to say, then this video is for you. Today, I am going to show you how to speak confidently in English step by step, even if English is not your mother language. So, if you want to know the secret, then stay till the end of the video. So, let's begin. Let us understand why meetings scare you. Let's start with the real reason. Most people think that I must speak perfect English. So before speaking English, they start preparing. They start preparing mentally. They try to form sentences. They check grammar in their head. They worry about pronunciation. And while they are doing all these things in their mind, the meeting moves on. So the fear is not about speaking. The fear is about being judged. Judged by the boss, judged by the colleagues, judged by the people who sound more fluent. But let me tell you a secret. Most people in the meeting, they are not listening to your grammar. They are busy thinking about the ideas, what you will say next. Now, number two, what not to do before the meeting. Before a meeting, most people make one big mistake. Think? You didn't get it? I will tell you. They try to prepare paragraphs. They write long paragraphs before a meeting. And when the real conversation doesn't match with what they prepared, then what not to do before a meeting? Before a meeting, most people make one big mistake. Think? You didn't get it? I will tell you. They try to make paragraphs. They write long answers. They'll write long paragraphs. When real conversation doesn't match with their prepared paragraphs, they fear. So remember this thing. Meetings are conversations, not examinations. You don't need long answers. You need clear points. Number three now. How to prepare correctly. How you should prepare. So before the meeting, prepare only 2 to 3 simple sentences. Not paragraphs, not explanations. Just points. For example, instead of preparing, I think the strategy might not work because prepare, this approach may have one more thing. So this is simple and clear. So clarity builds confidence. Now I will tell you some safe lines to start with because the hardest part of speaking is starting. I hope you agree with it. The hardest part of speaking is starting. So once you start, confidence automatically builds on. So most safe opening lines. You can even write down these lines or you can take a screenshot. So lines like, may I add something here? One point I would like to mention. I would like to share a quick thought. These lines buy your time. They relax your mind actually. And they make you sound professional. Do you agree? So I believe now you have like some safe opening lines with you. Next, 5 number. Speaking strategy during meeting. Now, what should be your speaking strategy? When you speak, remember this rule: one sentence, one idea. Don't try to say everything in one sentence. For example, wrong approaches that you mostly do. This idea is good, but we can also have. And better approaches. This idea is good, however, there is one more. Then take a pause. Then continue if needed. Pauses make you look confident, not weak. Pauses make you look confident, not weak. Now, number 6. If you make a mistake, then what happens? This is the most common thing. Let's talk about this. Everyone makes mistake. Even sometimes I do. So fluent speaker also make mistakes. If you make a mistake, don't apologize. Simply correct and continue. Do you understand? Simply correct and continue. Suppose you say any sentence wrong. For example, yesterday we discussed this issue. Then move on. Like, don't say sorry in between, just correct it and move on. Confidence is about continuing, not stopping. Suppose you say, yesterday we discussed, then you realize you said discuss, and then ekdam se you said sorry, and then you say the card. So don't say sorry, just say the correct sentence. Okay? Now, part 7. After the meeting, the most ignored step. Now, here is the powerful confidence booster most professionals ignore. Can you tell me? I will tell you. After the meeting, send a follow up message. Summarize all your points and write it down. Written English builds speaking confidence. Why? Because writing gives you control. When people read your message, they remember your confidence and your content. This also reduces pressure to say everything correctly. Remember, it is very powerful. This also reduces pressure to say everything correctly. Remember, it is very powerful. Very powerful. So do write it. Now, 8. Confidence mindset for speaking. Always remember your value is in your ideas, not your grammar, not your sentence structure. Many native speakers, they speak confidently, not correctly. You can just Google and check it at some places. And many non-native speakers, they their silence despite being known correct English. Next, don't let English hide your intelligence. So, from today onwards, just start speaking confidently and speak ideas. Don't translate the sentences. Next point, very important: simple daily practice. Here's the daily practice you can do. After every meeting, ask yourself, what one sentence I would have said? Practice saying it now. This trains your brain for the next. Remember, confidence built between meetings, not during the meeting. Confidence is built in between the meetings, like between one meeting to another meeting, not during the meeting. Remember, meetings don't need perfect English. They need correct delivery. Speak slowly and confidently. Pause confidently and follow up smartly. Your ideas deserve to be heard. Okay, so if you want more videos in making confident English and how to speak and improve confidently, then subscribe to my channel. Then here I turn silent professionals into confident speakers. And thank you so much for watching. And please do avoid some mistakes even I did. I hope the idea is clear, and thank you, and see you in the next video.